Open spots, I believe, are Cardinals, Saints, and Eagles. Can y'all hear me okay? Saints and Cardinals are the two. If you're interested in either one of those, just let me know. We'll go ahead and get started in just a minute here. We'll go ahead and get started. Good luck to everybody. This week, like I said, we're doing the 3 Panini Contender Fanatic editions. Next week, we're going to be doing a Chronicles Mega 2020, a Playbook Mega 2021, 2 Panini Prestige 2021, 1 Panini Draft Picks 2021, and 1 Box Score 2021. So 4 blasters, 2 megas next week. So we're going to have a little bit of 2020 and a little bit of 2021. And then the following week, we'll probably do 4 of these blasters. So if you like what you see and you have fun, please join us again. If you're just joining, welcome in. We're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so we got 11 packs of 8. Good luck to everybody. We'll see how it goes. We got Derek Carr, Christian McCaffrey, Taysom Hill, Jerry Jeudy, DK Metcalf, DJ Chark Jr., DeAndre Hopkins, and a Russell Wilson winning ticket. Pack 2. Let's see, we got Mike Evans, Tyrann Mathieu, Marquise Brown, Adam Thielen, Nick Chubb, Fletcher Cox. Looks like a gladiator of James Harrison with the blue. And we got the Julio Jones gladiator. Steelers there. That might be one of the Sapphire parallels. All right, Tua. Chase Claypool, Carson Wentz, Terry McLaurin, Aaron Donald, DJ Moore, Alvin Kamara. We got Rookie of the Year, Devonta Smith. Brandon Cooks, Julio Jones, Joey Bosa, Stephon Diggs, Aaron Rodgers, Tom Brady, Travis Kelce, and the Lamar Jackson Chain Movers. Drew Lock, Russell Wilson, Jonathan Taylor, Kyler Murray, Josh Allen, Jacoby Myers, Ezekiel Elliott, and a Kyler Murray MVP for Contenders. Hopefully we get an auto or a jersey in this one. Darnell Mooney, Saquon Barkley, Jared Goff, Jimmy G, Laviska Shenault Jr., Matt Ryan, Mike Gesicki, the Rookie of the Year for Nico Collins out of Houston. All right, Patriots, Jacoby Myers, Ezekiel Elliott, Juju Smith, David Johnson, Derrick Henry, Cooper Kupp, Sam Darnold, and a supernatural Josh Allen. T. Higgins, Marcus May, Chase Young, Henry Ruggs, Khalil Mack, Daniel Jones, Von Miller. We got a Rashad Bateman and a Kadarius Toney. We will get that one split up at the end. I don't think the person who bought the Ravens bought the Giants. Okay. Michael Thomas, Amari Cooper, Justin Herbert, Mark Andrews, Nelson Aguilar, Dak Prescott. Oops. George Kittle. Looks like we got some Panini points in there. Sorry about that. The chain movers was George Kittle. Tyler Lockett, James Robinson, J.J. Watt, Devontae Parker, Joe Burrow, T.Y. Hilton, Antonio Gibson, and Justin Herbert MVP. Had a feeling to save this pack for last. Hopefully it was a good hunch. Big Ben, Randall Cobb, A.J. Brown, Matthew Stafford, Tre'Davious White, Damian Harris. We got a Steve Young. I think this is the second Sapphire. And we got a playoff ticket for James White. Steve Young with the Sapphire. James Young ticket. Okay, so that's box one. Clean this up a little bit. Welcome in. I think we just had a couple people join a little late. If you have the Ravens, let me know. And if you have the Giants, let me know. My computer over on the other side of the room, so I can definitely check here in a sec. But you all let me know who's got those two teams. And I'll open up random.org at the end of this, and we'll split that one up. Box 2, pack 1. Good luck, everybody. See if we can't get... we'll definitely get some more Sapphire Parallels, but let's hope for some patches or an auto in this box. Josh Allen, Jacoby Myers, Ezekiel Elliott, Juju, David Johnson, Derrick Henry, Cooper Kupp, Rookie of the Year, Trevor Lawrence for the Jags. Great card there. Travis Kelce, Lamar Jackson, Dalvin Cook, Myles Garrett, Miles Sanders, Jair Alexander, Chris Godwin, and a supernatural Trey Lance. All right, getting some of these rookie quarterbacks for y'all. We just need a Fields and a Jones and Zach Wilson. Sam Darnold, Michael Thomas, Amari Cooper. We got Justin Herbert, Mark Andrews, Nelson Aguilar, Dak Prescott. We got a Tutu Atwell and a Dwayne Eskridge. Put that one in a sleeve for y'all, and we'll get that one divided up as well. So I think we got the Rams and the Seahawks. And if you got both of them, let me know. But I don't believe anybody has both of those teams. I'm just going to get this one put over there too real quick. Sorry. Thank you for your patience. So we'll get these sent to random.com here in just a few minutes. We'll get finished up. All right. Keep it moving. Keenan Allen, Corey Davis, TJ Hawkinson, Nick Bosa, Tyreek Hill, Hayden Hurst. And we got a Chauncey Golston auto for the Cowboys. So Chauncey Golston. Get that sleeve and top loaded for you. Not sure who had the Cowboys there, but nice little auto for you. Kirk Cousins, Baker Mayfield, Jalen Hurts, Aaron Jones, Rob Gronkowski. Looks like a Allen Robinson, a Ricky Williams for the Sapphire. And a Mike Vrabel Power. Was that before he went to the Titans as a coach? Tackling old Phillip. All right, we're still looking for a Couple rookie quarterbacks here. Ben Roethlisberger, Randall Cobb, A.J. Brown, Matthew Stafford, Tre'Davious White, Damon Harris, Mike Evans, and a MVP for Derrick Henry for the Titans. Joe Mixon, Jamison Crowder, Devontae Adams, Josh Jacobs, Darnell Mooney, Saquon Barkley, Jared Goff, and Allen Robinson chain movers. Welcome in. I think we just had somebody join. Myles Garrett, Miles Sanders, Jair Alexander, Chris Godwin, Keenan Allen, Corey Davis, TJ Hawkinson, and a Randy Moss, Legendary Contenders. I think we still have one more Sapphire in this one. Kenny Golladay, DeAndre Swift, George Kittle, Pat Mahomes, Calvin Ridley, Justin Jefferson. It looks like Andrew Whitworth is our Sapphire. And we got Tom Brady as our other Gladiator here. Tyrann Mathieu, Marquise Brown, Adam Thielen, Nick Chubb, Fletcher Cox, Brandon Cooks, Julio Jones, and a Tom Brady winning ticket. All right, last pack of box 2. I think we pulled both of our Sapphires already. Joey Bosa, Stephon Diggs, Aaron Rodgers, Tom Brady, Travis Kelce, Lamar Jackson, Dalvin Cook, and Rookie of the Year, Trey Sermon. All right. Cowboys auto. Let's see what box 3 will get us. Hopefully another auto. Let's see if we can't get some more rookie quarterbacks and some other good rookies. So let me know what y'all think of these Fanatics packs. Like I said, obviously we have a pretty heavy load next week. We're going to be doing 2 megas. One's going to be a 2020 Chronicles. One's going to be a playbook. Then we're going to have 2 blaster boxes of Prestige 2021, 1 blaster box of Panini Contender Prisms, and then 1 box of Score. So we're going to have 6 boxes total, 2 megas, 4 blasters. Or actually, yeah, 2 megas, 4 blasters next week. So a little bit bigger of a break. And a chance to, grab a Burrow, a Tua, a Herbert rookie, and some of the other 5 rookie quarterbacks that came out this year. Pat Mahomes, Calvin Ridley, Justin Jefferson, Joe Mixon, Jamison Crowder, Devontae Adams, Josh Jacobs. It looks like an Elijah Moore and a Javonte Williams, second round pick. We'll do a random for these guys. Okay. Good luck, everybody, in the last box here. Let's see what we can't pull. Hopefully some fire and an auto. Lamar Jackson, Dalvin Cook, Myles Garrett, Miles Sanders, Jair Alexander, Chris Godwin, Keenan Allen. We got a Contenders MVP for Stephon Diggs. Terry McLaren, Aaron Donald, DJ Moore, Alvin Kamara, Drew Lock, Russell Wilson. Looks like this one of our Sapphires is A.J. Brown winning ticket. And a Supernatural Mac Jones. Let's go. Henry Ruggs, Khalil Mack, Daniel Jones, Von Miller, Tyler Lockett, James Robinson, J.J. Watt. Move the chains for Austin Eckler. I think this might be a special pack here. Corey Davis, TJ Hawkinson, Nick Bosa, Tyreek Hill, Hayden Hurst. Kirk Cousins, Baker Mayfield. Got Earl Campbell for the Titans. Or the Oilers, excuse me, sorry. Okay, so we got a few more packs here. I don't think we've opened up our parallels yet. And we haven't gotten a patch or an auto just yet. Devontae Parker, Joe Burrow, T.Y. Hilton, Antonio Gibson, Derek Carr, Christian McCaffrey, Taysom Hill, and a Big Ben Gladiator. Welcome in. Jalen Hurts, Aaron Jones, Rob Gronkowski, Allen Robinson, Kenny Golladay, DeAndre Swift, George Kittle, Rookie of the Year, Terrace Marshall Jr. for the Panthers. Jerry Jeudy, DK Metcalf, DJ Chark Jr., DeAndre Hopkins, Tua, Chase Claypool, Carson Wentz, and a POW for Tyron Smith. Or Power, sorry. Couple more packs here. Darnell Mooney, Saquon Barkley, Jared Goff, Jimmy G, Avoska Shenault Jr., Matt Ryan, Mike Gesicki, and MVP contenders for Tannehill. Jonathan Taylor, Kyler Murray, Josh Allen, Jacoby Myers, Ezekiel Elliott, Juju Smith, Buda Baker is the Sapphire. We got a Curtis Martin for the Jets. Buda Baker sacking old Trevor Lawrence there. All right, last pack. I wish everybody luck. Let's see what we can't pull here. And like I said, next week, we're going to have 2 Megas and 4 Blasters of a couple various sets. 2020 Chronicles Mega, 2021 Playbook Mega, 2 Prestige 2021 Blasters, 1 Score Blaster for 2021, and 1 2021 Panini Prisms Draft Picks. All right, last pack of the box. T. Higgins, Marcus May, Chase Young, Henry Ruggs, Khalil Mack, Daniel Jones, Von Miller, and a lucky ticket for Lamar Jackson. All right. We're going to go to random.com, get these other ones sorted. right, so we're going to do this as fair as possible. So we're going to go to, like I said, randomnumber.org. I'm going to type in 1 through 10. 1 through 5 are going to be the Ravens. 6 through 10 is going to be the Giants. So we'll generate. So it's a 4, so this is going to be a Raven. This one here, we got 1 through 5 is going to be the Seahawks. 6 through 10 will be the Rams. 5, so we're going to go, Seahawks. This one here is going to be the Jets and the Broncos. 1 through 5 will be the Jets. 6 through 10 will be the Broncos. And it's going to be the Jets. All right. All right, everybody. Appreciate y'all coming out and watching the break. Should get this loaded up here in just a minute to try to get it up on YouTube here in a few. And then we will get these sorted out and sent out as soon as we can. If you want to like the video, comment, anything, join us again next week. Like I said, we're going to be doing a lot bigger of a break. A few more boxes, and then we'll have this Panini Contender or Panini Fan Addicts edition, probably 4 boxes in 2 weeks from now. So thank you all again for joining, and we'll see y'all next time.